family. Welcome to my channel. It's Wes the CEO. Join me now to make passive income and reach financial freedom.
What's up? Peace and blessings, family. It's Wes the CEO. I want y'all to like and subscribe this video. And today I'm going to be making a tutorial for the beginners on how to trade stocks and how to learn to invest so we can reach that financial freedom. Let's check it out though. Right now I got the stock market pulled up and I'm going to show y'all my screen right here so y'all can be able to see. So it says the stock market is where investors buy and sell shares of the company. It's a set of exchange where companies are issued shares and other securities for trading. So basically, when you get into the stock market, you taking your money that you have and you buy shares of the company. So you basically a stockbroker, and when you using the Robinhood app, that's gonna let you be able to go in different companies like Meta, Tesla, Nvidia, and buy shares of the company so you can long-term invest. Okay, so once you got that figured out, and once you know, okay, my money is going into companies that's, either going up or down, either losing money or gaining money, you automatically have a share of the company once you put your money into the company. So if the company doing good, your money grows. And if the company doing bad, your money goes down, okay? So I'm gonna take y'all over to this other section with calls and puts. Now this is about trading options. I'm gonna give you the definition, what it says on the screen. Puts and calls are both types of option contracts that get a buyers the right, but not the obligation to buy or sell an asset at a specific price and a specific date. The price is called strike or exercise price, and the date is called the expiration. And that's basically, they telling you that you can buy a contract for a call or a put. And a call in the stock market definition is when the stock market is going up, and the put is the definition in the stock market is going down. That's when your contract is going down or the company is going down. And the call is when the company is going up. Okay, that's just a terminology that we use in the stock market. But to start, you're gonna have to understand that. But it's basically like this. When you able to size your account up and you getting to the point where you feel like, okay, I'm comfortable with trading, I'm ready to get in, and I'm ready to start learning, I'm gonna pull up the Robinhood app, okay? Now look, with the Robinhood app, you can go in, right? Once you have your account set up to where you can go in and trade calls and puts, okay? Once you go into the call option and the trade option, you can hit this button. And once you see the option to be able to trade options, you can go in, and this how you could select your date. You select your date to how far you want to go out, to how much time you want to give yourself to let this play actually work, okay? So you got dates that's on Friday. The stock market is going to close every Friday of the week unless you got holidays in between the week, okay? But the stock market is open 8:30 to 3 o'clock, okay? And that's Central Time from where I'm from, okay? And it's just like the stock market is open Monday through Friday, excuse me, but you can invest with Robinhood on Bitcoin and ETFs in different ways. But while you here in the stock market, you want to select a date. You want to always see where your call or your put going to expire. You got to have a date to where your contract is going to expire. Okay, so when you going in, you always want to get a nice contract. Okay, it depends on how much money you spending. So when you inside of the app, the money is like this. It's never no cents inside of the Robinhood app. It's only dollars, okay? It starts at dollars, okay? This 0.02, that's not 2 cents, that's $2. So it's 0.50, that's $50, okay? So when you selecting your contracts, you either want to go out of the money That's when your contracts are going lower and you further away from your break-even price, or you want to go into the money. That's when you already at your break-even price or you closer to your break-even price. And then you can be able to differentiate your contract size by knowing what the market at and where you want to play your contracts at. And you can get into the grease and deltas later, but that's the basics. But if you want to be able to go to puts, you can easily go from calls to puts, select your date, and you can scroll down, and it's the same concept. In and out the money, and you can be able to see your play and see how things go, okay? And if you want to go to the watch list, you should be able to go into the Robinhood app and set your watch list up. And this basically like paper trading. These are trades that you're not in. Say you don't want to trade right now, but you still want to be able to see where would this contract go. You could go to the watch list and set you up a decent little watch list so you can be able to see where these trades will go in the Robinhood app. That's a pretty dope feature, okay? But with the Robinhood app and with trading and investing, you want to go in and you want to look at the stock market. You want to know the high of the day. You want to know the low of the day. That's what we're going to call levels, okay? And we're going to go in, we're going to find support. That's the bottom of where liquidity has built and where the stock market has went multiple times. And then we got resistance. That's the top. And we're going to call that the tippity top, you know, because when the market hit the top of the top, it usually is called resistance because it come down. It resists to go up any further, okay? And support is where the market go down and it stay at, okay? And if it go lower, it's breaking support. And if it go higher, it's breaking resistance, okay? That's a little lingo that you will learn as you go along in your trading journey for sure. But for far this long-term investing, I just want you to know that when trading, you gotta know 20%, 30% of your money, okay? So when you get in the trades, you wanna go up 20%, 50% of your money, but you can go up more. It depends on the size of your plate and how the stock market is moving, okay? But you wanna be able to average cost in. You wanna be able to trade with risk management. That's using $100 to trade, but you only using 20% of your $100, so that's $20. But if you got $500, you only using like 20%, that's probably like $150, $100. And you using that to trade, that's good risk management. Okay, you getting in when the stock market is moving in your direction that you want it to move in, so you can be beneficial. Okay, you gotta work on your entry. Okay, you always wanna work on your entry. Okay, and another thing I wanna tell everybody that's gonna be trading, you gotta learn in the stock market, you gonna lose. You gotta learn how to cut your losses. You gotta minimize your losses, because losses will happen. You can wake up and think you on the right side of a trade and be on the wrong side of the trade. So you gotta minimize your losses. If you start losing, you gotta have discipline. And it's an emotional thing. You gotta have discipline in your head to be able to jump out of a trade if you feel like you're on the wrong side. Get out, resurface, resize, and get back into the right side, okay? But you gotta have patience and consistency, and you gotta play with the charts and not your heart, for sure. But this is just a beginner's friendly journey to learn how to trade in the stock market, for sure. And with this, I feel like anybody should be able to learn, and you should be able to get in the stock market and use the Robinhood app to be able to get some money and reach, financial freedom, for sure. But this was the CEO. I want y'all to like and subscribe to this video and leave a comment down below if y'all got any questions, any videos that y'all think I should drop, for sure. Peace and blessings, family. I'm out.
Thanks for watching. See you next time, family, and stay blessed.